Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid ear pain during flight. To prevent discomfort, actively clear your ears. Swallowing or yawning are simple, effective methods to open your eustachian tubes. Chewing gum or sucking on a hard candy also encourages swallowing, which helps equalize pressure. It is best to remain awake during takeoff and landing, as this allows you to consciously perform these actions and manage pressure changes more effectively. For additional protection, consider using specialized filtered earplugs. These are designed to regulate the air pressure changes in your ears more gradually, slowing down the rate at which pressure shifts occur. Another helpful strategy is to use a nasal decongestant spray or oral decongestant. Applying it approximately 30 minutes before takeoff and landing can reduce swelling in your eustachian tubes, making it easier for them to open and equalize pressure. It is especially important to take extra care if you are feeling unwell. Try to avoid flying when you have a cold, a sinus infection, or severe allergies, as these conditions can significantly block your eustachian tubes and lead to intense ear pain. If you frequently experience severe ear discomfort during flights, it is always best to consult a doctor. They can provide personalized advice and explore potential underlying issues. When traveling with young children, protecting their ears requires a bit of planning. For infants, encourage them to nurse or use a pacifier during takeoff and landing, as the sucking and swallowing motions help. Older children can chew gum or sip a drink to achieve the same effect. It is also beneficial to ensure children are awake during the critical pressure changes, allowing them to actively clear their ears. Distraction with a favorite toy can also help ease their discomfort.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.